In the tapestry of human endeavors, entrepreneurship emerges as a vibrant thread, weaving dreams into reality with the delicate artistry of visionaries. It is not merely a pursuit of profit, but a symphony of passion, an anthem sung by those who dare to dream beyond the ordinary. Entrepreneurship is the alchemy of turning ideas into innovation, the dance of risk and reward, choreographed by bold hearts. It's a journey where each step is a brushstroke on the canvas of possibility, where the canvas stretches boundlessly into the realms of imagination. Picture entrepreneurship as a garden where seeds of creativity are sown, nurtured by the sunlight of perseverance and the rains of resilience. The blossoms that emerge are businesses, not just bricks and mortar structures, but living entities infused with the soul of their creators. In entrepreneurship, failure is not a finale, but a prelude to success, a phoenix rising from the ashes of setbacks. It's a testament to the courage that fuels the entrepreneurial spirit, an unyielding commitment to stand tall amidst the storms of uncertainty. Beyond the profit margins and market shares, entrepreneurship is a love affair with one's vision. This journey requires not just business acumen, but the emotional fortitude to weather storms and bask in the sunshine of achievements. So, what is entrepreneurship? It's the poetry of turning dreams into realities, the song of forging paths where none existed. It celebrates the human spirit's boundless capacity to create, innovate, and weave the tapestry of a brighter, more imaginative tomorrow.